Hello everybody, welcome back to All DIY, No Skills. We are 6 weeks and change after our fall overseed. As you can see, everything came out nicely. The grass grew in beautifully, nice and thick. We'll give it a little mow today. And just follow the steps in my playlist on how to do a fall overseed. And you could have similar results. You could even see the difference in the property lines. Where my grass ends and the neighbor's grass begins. With all our liquid fertilizer, liquid iron treatment, just the color of the grass and how alive and healthy it looks. So I think maybe we'll do another single double today. Maybe this came out nicely. But just wanted to show you guys the results of a little hard work and effort. Thanks again. Take care.